Hey there, I'm talking to you through the GoPro Hero 11 Black, GoPro's new flagship camera. And if you're wondering why this video is squarish instead of the typical widescreen format or even a skinny vertical video, it has everything to do with the camera's big new feature. And that could change how you shoot, especially if you use a GoPro for social. Oh, and the Hero 11 Black isn't the only camera coming from GoPro this year. But first, let's get into the 11 Black. So the star of the show is the camera's new image sensor. It's a larger 1/1.9 inch sensor, and while the increase might improve quality some, it's more that GoPro is using the full sensor to record 5.3K resolution video with an 8:7 aspect ratio. At that size, you can shoot one clip and then cut it into 16:9, 4:3, or 1:1, or flip them and get vertical video at 7:8, 3:4, or 9:16. And you can do them all fast and easy in GoPro's Quick app. Plus, with all the extra resolution, you can crop in and still have good-looking results. The sensor also enables GoPro's Hyperview, an even more immersive wide-angle shot compared to the Superview setting on prior models. The distortion out to the sides is extreme, so you might want to use this sparingly, but it is a pretty great effect. The Hero 11 also has the 5th generation of Hypersmooth, GoPro's digital image stabilization. It continues to be impressive in the bumpiest of situations, and now it's improved when shooting 4:3 video and in Superview. And you can shoot linear video with horizon lock, which means the camera can rotate 360 degrees, but the video remains right side up and level. Two other new features for advanced shooters. The bitrate can be switched to capture at up to 120 megabits per second, and you can turn on 10-bit color. So video has more detail, more colors, and smoother gradients, and less color banding. While I'm on the subject of settings, the Hero 11 has a lot of them, and it can be a little much. So GoPro created Easy and Pro modes. Pro unlocks all the settings, while Easy mode takes it down to just a handful of options that are controlled with shortcuts on the touch display. Choose a digital lens, pick a shooting speed, and press record. Oddly, I found the Easy mode confusing at first because I'm used to the regular, now Pro interface. But if you don't want to mess with settings, you now have an option to simplify things. As for new shooting modes, there aren't a lot, but GoPro added 3 new long exposure time-lapse options for use at night. If you live somewhere where you can see stars, you can capture star trails as the Earth rotates. There's also a vehicle light trail mode and a fun light painting option. What's nice is the Quick app makes it easy to grab single frames from the videos for high-res photos from these modes. GoPro also optimized the camera to improve battery life, like reducing power use when the camera is on but idle. The Hero 11 also comes with GoPro's Enduro battery, which not only lasts longer but works better in cold too. But if you really want to extend battery life, you'll be able to get a Hero 11 Black Creators Edition, which includes the Volta battery grip. I shot for hours with it and never worried about running out of power. What I did run out of is storage space because the high-res, high-bitrate video creates big files, so you'll want a big, fast micro SD card with this camera. Two more things before I wrap up. GoPro really has been pushing its cloud subscription service for the past few years, offering big discounts on new cameras and other gear. Its best feature is auto uploads, so that when you plug in the camera to charge, it will automatically save your clips and photos to the cloud service for immediate sharing and safekeeping. Now though, when you auto upload to the cloud, either directly from the camera or through the Quick app, you will automatically get back an edited highlight video made from what you just uploaded. You can then tweak that if you want or share it as is. The feature only just came online, so I was only able to put together one from my commute from New Jersey to New York, but it worked, and it's definitely cool to get a completed video without having to do anything beyond charge the camera. And as I alluded to earlier at the top, the Hero 11 Black isn't the only new camera from GoPro. There is also the Hero 11 Black Mini. If you remember, several years back, GoPro had a tiny cube camera with no viewing screen called the Session. It didn't have the best image quality, but it was small and you could mount it in places not possible with the larger Heroes. The Mini is kind of like that, but essentially has all the shooting resolutions and speeds available in the 11 Black. Now, let's talk pricing. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is $500 and is available today. The Creator Edition, which includes the camera, the Volta battery grip, the Media Mod, and Light Mod, is $700. And the Hero 11 Mini, which is expected to be available in October on the 25th, it will sell for $400. If you're a GoPro subscriber or become one, the Black drops to $400, the Creator Edition drops to $580, and the Mini is just $300. So all in all, it's a pretty great upgrade if you're a couple GoPro cameras behind or you're a creator or enthusiast looking to really punch up your photos and videos. For the average GoPro user, there's not too much here to warrant an upgrade from the 10 Black, though you might want to pick up the Mini for 2-camera shoots. Plus, the automatic highlight videos are available to any GoPro subscriber with a Hero 5 Black or newer, so it makes more sense to put your money into a subscription, which is $50 a year. Well, that's all I have for now. You can find out more about the GoPro Hero 11 Black and Mini at the links below, and if you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe. Be kind and rewind, and I'll see you when I see you. Thanks for watching.